November 22nd, 2025, amateur astronomers around the world pointed their telescopes at Atlas. What they captured changes everything. The anti-tail is now 5 million kilometers long. That shouldn't be physically possible. Let me show you why the math just destroyed the natural comet explanation. Multiple observers, different locations, different telescopes, all seeing the same thing. Independent observations spanning 3 days. November 22nd through 24th. Every single image shows the same structure. A massive tail extending 5 million kilometers away from the sun. An anti-tail pointing directly toward the sun, stretching 1 million kilometers. Tightly collimated, perfectly straight, undeniable. This isn't image artifact. This isn't measurement error. This is real. And the math says it can't be natural. Here's the problem. That anti-tail is punching through the solar wind. The solar wind flows at 400 kilometers per second. That's 1,000 times faster than thermal gas speed from a sublimating comet. 1,000 times. For the anti-tail to maintain its structure against that wind, it needs ram pressure, momentum flux, mass density 1,000,000 times greater than the solar wind itself. 1,000,000 times denser. Now here's where it gets brutal. To generate that kind of density naturally through sublimation, Atlas would need to be ejecting 200 tons per second for every square area 300,000 kilometers on a side, just for the anti-tail. Add the regular tail and you're looking at billions of tons of mass loss over October and November. The calculation is straightforward. Atlas has lost approximately 10% of its total mass in 2 months. That's 3.3 billion tons out of 33 billion total. Natural comets that lose 10% of their mass don't stay intact. They fragment. They break apart. Thermal stress creates cracks. Structural failure follows. Pieces separate. That's what comets do. Except Atlas didn't fragment. The images show one body, intact, solid, no breakup, no debris field, no fragmentation despite losing billions of tons. That's the contradiction that destroys natural explanations. Massive outgassing but stayed intact. You can't have both. Not with natural sublimation. But here's what makes this definitive.